everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel Life with Soumya. I'm super excited because we have something really cool to unbox today. It's the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. This is something I wanted to invest in. I always wanted to get a gimbal. I did some research and this is something I thought it's really good investment for getting a good footage, especially for a beginner like me. Yeah, here's the box. It's pretty nice, a decent one. It says what it has in here. With 3-axis stabilization, it has a magnetic design, it's portable and foldable, it has easy tutorials also available, and a quick roll. And what's in the box? It's written here, but nevertheless we have the box so we can open it and see what's inside. It looks like a manual. Oh, isn't it a pouch? It's really good. Yeah, has beautiful pouch and bunch of manuals and some stickers kind of thing. So it says it requires this anti-slip patch to secure the mobile phone in the phone holder. That's what it says. I have this magnet. I have this magnet in this, and this is the gimbal. Let me open it. How it looks, like I said, it's portable. You can just open it like this. It has a handheld terminal here, has some controls. Cool. What else is in the box? This tripod, you can fix it to the gimbal, and yes, a charging cable, USB-C to charge your gimbal. A silicone bag. But that's it. There's a box. It's an empty box. Now let me open it. So like I said, there's already a gimbal in here, and let me open this tripod. Cool. This is the tripod that you get along with it. It's really a good one, good option to have a gimbal with, because you can take some steady videos with it. Like you see, you can fix it here with the gimbal and open it. So I really like this small tripod that comes along with it. One, because you would have a stronger grip on the gimbal because you can hold it with your 2 hands, and of course you can take some videos without anybody's help. You have the tripod, you can put it on the ground and you can take your videos. It's really good. Now this is the magnet that comes along with it. This is where the mobile goes. Let me take out that gimbal. Yes, it's here, and this is the magnet. Whoa, that's super strong, but it's not on the exact spot. Let me try again. Oh, yes, I got it right. Yeah, so here it is. This is how it is. I think I need to cover it, charge it, but let me try. Yeah, it comes with charging, so I think it's ready to go. Well, it's cool and sturdy. It's a bit plasticky, but I guess that's good for the price we are putting in. It has a nice hold, nice grip, so you don't get it. It has a nice, for your thumb thing, you can just hold it here, so it's really nice. Okay, so now before we come to the other contents, we have this little sheet here. It has 2 QR codes. So one is the DJI app. So this is the app that you need to install on your phone to connect with the gimbal. And there is another app. It's called the Light Cut app. I think it's a tutorial kind of app where it will give you some tricks and tips and tutorials regarding the video editing app. I'm gonna try this both. I'll install these on my phone and connect my phone to this gimbal. I'll come back once I set it up. So now that you have seen the gimbal and how I have set it up, I wanted to discuss about why I went with the DJI Osmo SE. I did quite some research. There are different brands who offer nice gadgets for video editing, but DJI has been a flagship brand providing all different kinds of devices to help you getting proper videos. So this was my to-go brand for the gimbal. I didn't really look at other gimbals. I looked at some beginner friendly, budget friendly gimbals which were also charging around 40-50 euros. Then I thought, okay, what are the other options I have in DJI which could be a little bit more than basic gimbals but would be a good investment to start with. So like I said, the requirements that I was looking for, it has to be portable, it has to be handy, should not be heavy. I should have a tripod so I don't have to depend on anybody, so I can just put it on the ground or the table to record videos. Guess pretty much this is it. And of course the stabilization is more important. Any gimbal should have a proper stabilization, so I did a bit of googling of the stabilization in DJI, and I've understood that it has one of the best stabilization techniques or stabilization software, so I think it's okay to go with the DJI. Again, DJI has three different models. It's Osmo, I think 5, Osmo Mobile 6 and Osmo Mobile SE. So Osmo Mobile 5 is not the latest version, it's the one version back, and Osmo Mobile 6 is a newer version, and that's the flagship version of gimbal from DJI. But what I have is a Osmo DJI Mobile SE. It's kind of in between both of them. It's not a flagship model, but it has all the features that comes with Osmo Osmo 6. The differences that I can talk about is this one. It has a little switch for the zoom out and zoom in, but Osmo 6 has a knob to do the same. I think a knob is more friendly for it, but I also think this is equally good for a beginner because there is a price difference between the both. I'll come to that at the last. And in Osmo 6 there is also a selfie stick kind of thing, so you can extend this a bit, I think around a feet. So when you put it like this, you have a stick protruding out of it. That was also super cool. So if your requirement is to have a selfie stick, I would definitely suggest you to go for the Osmo 6. And in terms of price, this one retails at 79 euros, and while the Osmo 6 is at around 150 euros. I think for the price, since I'm a beginner, I thought this is a good investment and I invested in this. But if you are a little bit advanced YouTuber and if you want to invest in a nice gimbal, I think Osmo 6 is also a very good one. The knob is really cool, and you have the selfie stick which makes it makes you cover a few wider shots with a big group. I think that would be a good investment. But that's it. I will come back with more review videos. I'm going to use this on my next trip during Christmas. I have some trips planned and I'll be using this gimbal and making some videos. I'll definitely post a review video after I do a couple of videos with this and give my first experiences about it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. I'll be doing regular videos from now, and see you soon. Bye. Let's open it. I wish there was an easier way of opening it. Almost done. Yeah, perfect. really good at opening these things. Yeah. I did open it. Let's see what it has. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life with Sonia. I'm back again with yet another interesting video. I'm super excited to do the unboxing video of this cool gadget that I have invested in. So as you guys know, I've recently started my YouTube channel and I wanted to get a gimbal for myself. I did some research, I had some requirements and I figured out this is the one and I got it. So it's the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. Super nice. Let me unbox this for you and let's see what's inside. Let's get started.